Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that, Private Pile?
Surrender now! I'm right. Throwing grenade! Help me! Help me!
His skeleton was missing, and was never heard from again!
Run complete. Station out.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
No! No! Ah, no! What? No, I can't! No, can't do! Screw you, you idiot! Contact! Helicopter! Fuck you! I told you to be careful, El Ahwar! Be one of you! Get smoke! We need smoke!
We need to throw smoke out there!
Smoke!
You smoke!
Get smoke!
We need to throw smoke out there!
I just can't do it. I can't take this shit no more, man.
Help me, you
Fuck you guys!
We need to throw smoke out there! Smoke out there!
We need smoke! Damn it! You smoke!
Good job!
Okay.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
Drop your weapon! No problem. You should run!
What the hell?
Stop that!
Check those corners. Echo secured.
Enemy are here! This area is clear!